In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Notion database to Excel. If you've been using Notion to organize your projects, tasks, or any kind of structured information, there are times when you might want to pull that data into Excel. Maybe you want to do more advanced analysis, build charts, or share a simple spreadsheet with someone who doesn't use Notion. The good news is that Notion makes this very straightforward using its built-in export feature. Start by opening the Notion Workspace where your database lives and navigate to the specific database you want to export. This can be a full-page database or a database that's part of a page. Just make sure you're actually viewing the database itself, not a linked view somewhere else, so that the export options are available as expected. Once you're on that database page, look towards the top right corner of the Notion window. You'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that. This is where Notion hides a lot of useful actions for the page, including the export tools. After you click the three-dot menu, a drop-down panel will appear with several options related to your database and page. In that menu, look for the option labeled Export. Click on Export to open the Export Settings window. In the Export window, you'll see a few choices. The key one for getting your data into Excel is the format. Make sure the format is set to Markdown and CSV. This is important because Notion will package your database as CSV files inside a zip folder. CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a very common file type for spreadsheets and is fully compatible with Excel. You can also check any additional export settings that appear, but you don't need to change anything special just to get an Excel-ready file. Once you've confirmed the format, click the Export button in this window. Notion will take a moment to prepare your data, and then your browser will download a zip file to your computer. When the download finishes, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder and extract it. Inside, you'll see one or more CSV files corresponding to your database. Simply open the CSV file with Excel. It will load just like any other spreadsheet, with your Notion properties as columns and your entries as rows. That's all you need to export a Notion database to Excel using the built-in Markdown and CSV export option.